far is our DOT guy out?
What's that?
How far is our DOT guy out?
He's here.
Oh, good.
He's working on it right now. So they flip the trailer to be able to get the logs out of your way,
Gotcha.
to make it easy to flip over.
Okay.
I'm just going to give this to you.
Okay.
So this kid's 20 years old. It's an owner-operator. He's only got liability. So in case you end up having to impound it, he doesn't. I just wanted to give that to you so you had it. But
last one of these I did.
That's him right there in the yellow shirt. We'll let these guys know. They'll shut it down both sides.
Okay. I got my crew coming up here. We'll probably go ahead. The manual, so I'm not going to worry about the drive line.
Yeah, it's being far. So you coordinate with him and with him. That's
Okay.
all right. Whatever you want. I'm going to pick up now that we DOT's here.
You want to try and put any air to it before you get going, or you don't worry about it?
What's that?
You want to try and put any air to it before you?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
All I gotta do really is measure the brakes.
Okay.
So
What we'll do is when we flip it over.
we can do it when it's like this. That'd be perfect.
Yeah, I could back up here and put air to it. I think we got.
That'd be awesome. That way I don't have to get under it, and then it'll be done. You guys can just pick it and go.
I'll back up here and put air. Can we get in the cab to release it? And
I don't know.
yeah, looks like we can.
Can you get to it?
Where's it at?
They just kick the stupid thing out. Huh?
Hmm?
It's an old truck. It still has a crossover line for the fuel. It might even be
There it is, way down there. I can see it. Yep, I can see it.
You can see it, but you can't get to it?
No, I can get to it.
Okay.
I'll put out windshield there, get right to it, little yellow handle.
Perfect.
I don't know if we can get the trailer brake on it or not, but I'm sure we can get the trucks.
Well, the trailer's still hooked up, so.
Yeah, if the lines are all good, I'll back my truck up here and get her going.
Sounds good to me. It makes it easier.
Yeah, we left the rain and it was nice. I come up here. Sign, do we? Down. I like to have the dog stuff back today. We just hauled the tower with the truck. Yeah. Never went on the highway. Yeah, they fucking, it didn't matter what they were, they just load you up, and the whole fucking thing, then they'd sort it out, and then from there they'd come. Let her load her twice. Get us there. Okay.
What about this guy here?
Chase, see if those are free. Hey guys, see if those are free. See if they're free. Let's see if they're freewheeling. Run that one to the front, and that one's to the back wheel. You got it. Hey, you got a backlash in it. What? You got a backlash in the green line. Get it? Keep going. High speed. The red one out. Go ahead, on. Whoa. Here goes the front. Okay. Got her? I'll pull on that rear just a little bit and get set up, and I'll pull the front down. I probably could have got a little closer, but I think we'll be all right.
Loves that.
No, yeah, no. Just recording. Okay.
tangled. Fight a little bit.
Did you get it hooked
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And back towards you.
How come you unhooked it?
Because we were trying to get it untangled.
Oh, okay.
In there good. I'm gonna leave it like this and take down the white spot. We just gotta get it out of gear and hit the brakes.